Hello everyone, it's SVTWRC. Today we're here looking at this amazing 3D printing site, Yegi. You can make a bunch of amazing things for your Fiesta ST, including these wing risers that my man Wolfman's selling. I don't know who this is, I just wanted to let you know who I bought it off of. It's eBay, it's out there, so here you go. I'm a guy who likes wings on their cars, as you can tell. The Fiesta ST has a nice wing, but it is a little subdued for what it is. And the wing risers are going to raise it up to that WRC look. I would do this outside, but it looks like it might get dark soon. I'm going to bring this inside just in case. You're going to need an 8mm, 7/32, a 15 Torx bit, a number 2 Phillips, but don't quote me on that one, and you're going to need a 1/4" drill bit. The eBay 3D printed risers do not come with hardware. You have to source them yourself. So I went to my good old local hardware store and got these 4 galvanized sealing washers, number 6 3/4 flathead screws, waterproof duct tape, and these optional M6x1 bolts to match the color if you want. You can reuse the stock hardware though. Start off by removing the antenna and remove the third brake light. There's 2 15mm Torx bolts. Remove the electrical connection by pushing it on the tab. Then gently remove the hose for the rear washer. Take off the lanyards that hold the deck. Locate the 2 rubber grommets that house the 8mm bolts. You want to be super careful taking these off. If you drop those in there, you're going to have a bad day. You could even use the rear deck as a nifty tool stand. There are 2 7/32 screws on each side. It's only attached by clips now, so pull it back to you. Once off, remove all the clips and put them aside. You will not need them anymore, but it doesn't mean you have to mutilate them. Just like any of the popular big-time aftermarket wing riser companies, this will be installed just like their kit. So you'll take the largest one and put it on the top of the wing, we'll call it here. The stock hardware actually fit best, so I just reused those for this one and the other side. Next, take the smallest riser and use one of the number 6 by 3/4" stainless screws. Don't tighten anything down yet, as we'll have to line these risers up later. Now for the last medium-sized wing risers, we're going to have to take a 1/4" drill bit and drill out the hole so it will receive the M6 bolt. You can reuse the stock hardware if you want that shiny chrome look, but I reused one of these black hardware bolts, which made it look a lot nicer and cleaner. Next, prep the surface with some isopropyl alcohol and cover over the 6 clip holes with some electrical or duct tape that's waterproof. Then clean up the area around the holes that are going to be the main posts for the wing riser. Test fit the wing by lining it up and making sure all the risers line up with the holes that the screws are going to go into. Once you've lined them up in the correct spot, flip the wing back over and tighten down all the risers to the wing. Then take some of those galvanized washers and the number 6 by 3/4" screw. If you line the washers up correctly, you'll get a really good seal, and that'll mitigate some of the water ingestion. Tighten all 4 up, 2 on each side, and then you can work your way to the 2 center posts. Tighten those down using the number 6 and then reinstall the rubber cap. Snake the electrical connection and the washer hose through the 2 holes in back of the wing. Reinstall the third brake light, and there you have it. It really gives it that RSWRC look. The 3D printed risers look really great under the wing. The wing risers came in at around $16. The hardware came in at about $5. So for around $21 to $22, you can pick up yourself some 3D printed wing risers. Remember to install the antenna. Now this is the antenna test. This antenna for the 2016 is very flexible. So when you pull up the rear gate, it only touches and flexes upon it. But there's so much give on it anyway that there's no way you're going to break it. Alright guys and girls, if you like this, give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't. If you are, You're awesome. Hit the bell if you want notifications. And remember, be excellent to each other. SVTWRC 2018, baby. Later.